Hey friends, if you wish to troubleshoot search and indexing on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you can do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. And then you can scroll down to the Windows search service. Right click on it and then you can select restart to restart that service. Okay. If it is stopped. Okay, the second thing is that you can check for it in the settings. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. Select searching windows in the right pane and then scroll down. There is something called as the indexing troubleshooter. You can run that if you want to. Okay, select next. You won't find it elsewhere, you find it here. And other than this, you can rebuild the index. So click on advanced indexing options and then click on advanced and then select this option next to troubleshooting which says rebuild. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.